Hadien ke Jingjop dan Burom Jong Saleng sangma kum UMP Natura Parliamentary Seat na kaliang ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kala Pynkup Burom ya Saleng kum kada ka Jing Burom ya ka Jingjop dan Burom Jong da ka batam Kput ya ka kertong jong ka NPP ka National People Party ka badai ka sitting MP ka Agatha sangma State Central Library. Hakani ka sngi ladan lang kinong yalam jong ka Congress Mpcc nadu u President uba Vincent Pala ki MLA jong ka party bat ki wei kinongket kam rengkat kinong yalam jong ka party ki bana ki district bat unit paper haba ajing kren hakani ka sngi na kaliang u president jong ka party ula ong Hadien ba ula rem yak election kam dei pat ban penduk jingkermen yaki Henry bagen Hadien ban pet benia ya ka daw ka jing rem shu ula ong baka Jingjop u Saleng kadai ka jingkermen ya ka jalabat ka Thai North East barok away nakaliang usaleng ula ai khoblei kerpang ya kipat ba jong katura ki bala Punjab dan Burom ya bat ula ong kum ka party ken pet benia haman le kidong ki than kum do ban pen khlan ya ka party
to facilitate a leader Saleng is sama. When I stand here, I remember when we are planning to select a candidate from Garus. We all thought that Madame Vibora will contest. But Madame Vibora is so clever. She said, no. We should allow Saleng to contest, and I'm very sure that he will win. So thank you, ma'am, for your suggestion. When I was traveling with Saleng to Delhi, trying to convince him to fight the election, I was worried whether he will fight or not. So thank you, Saleng, for agreeing to it. Today, when I sat near you, I remember God has a plan for everyone and a time for everyone. I also stand here to say sorry because I lost the election. I take a full responsibility for the loss of the election. I do agree with the President of the Youth. We need to look back. We need to think about the party matters. We need to work. But let us also remember the stepping stones towards the success. Everyone here, be it Baroni, be it Gabriel, be it Kong Deborah, be it Kunsungai, at one point of time, we won the election, we lost the election. But we never keep up hopes. We invoke her. So here also, I remember when I first took as the president, almost a year, we faced lots of challenges. People said that, Congress is a sinking ship. Congress has gone, will never revive back. When I went to Delhi, when I went to UP for campaign, wherever we went, everybody said Congress is gone. Hundreds of my friends in the Youth Congress, in Mpcc, left the Congress and joined to a greener side of politics. But today, with Saleng's success of governance, the dynamic of politics in Meghalaya has changed. What was 5 years before, what was 5 months before, today is a different scenario of politics.
It's not because of me. My whole thanks goes to Sir Bala, Madame Deborah, who has really worked tirelessly in the first place itself to defeat TMC. TMC was really trying hard for themselves to get a ticket because there was an India alliance. For that, I would like to thank first Sir Palam and Madame Deborah, who has taken me to meet Madame Sonia Nandi and all the other leaders from the center. And it was true for that also not to believe in me the only member of the Legislative Assembly in politics. When Mukul himself was the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, when he has put his all efforts to win the MP election Lok Sabha for his brother, could not win. When he fought for his own son-in-law, he couldn't make it through. When he fought even for his wife, he could not make it through. When he was the Chief Minister, just imagine, it was true on the side of the AICC to believe that we will not be a winner. That's why my own gratitude and thanks goes to definitely Sarpala and Madam Devra, and definitely our MLAs who have joined with us to push a ticket for me. Ronnie, Charles, Mangna, Gabriel, and everyone who has fought for me. Listen, first, when I landed here, I was having a little cringe and a little excitement also. You know, feeling a little, how would you say, I was a little feeling different picture. Excitement in the time, really cringe. But all its lessons to live from above. I'm so excited to be part of you and part of the system right now, so that I can at least open-mindedly speak about the truth, about the issues and agenda, whatever I felt to speak for us in the Lok Sabha election. I will definitely follow up whatever Sarpala has already taken up. For example, he has already talked about the IMP on the floor of the parliamentary session itself. He has already talked about the 8th schedule on the floor of the House itself. So definitely I will be taking up, sir. I'll definitely continue to take up, sir. We really need 8th schedule to be placed before us. Kasi Garu Jaitia, definitely we require that one. And then I definitely will be definitely. We have seen lots of different things, ups and downs. When we talk about the idealistic movement, because of that view of our good leaders has lost. But realism and compromise should be passionately adopted. Then only we might be able to fight that idealistic movement. Sometimes when somebody acts in a different way, we tend to get scared because we are in a volatile situation. But the fact is that our progress has been pushed so much that we are at the back of the wall right now. Now we have to start pushing back. As whatever our youth president has spoken, we are not going to give up just because we have lost here in Kasi's. This is our first step. We will push back, and definitely in 2028, our Congress is going to be ruling the team and ruling the government. And I'm sure that 200%, I'm assuring our team, not as a Congress, but the team from the Meghalaya, that definitely from our Congress will be ruling, and from our Congress there will be a seat. And definitely you can see. Not only in Meghalaya, but I believe even in the national also you will see in 2029 Congress will definitely come back with a larger number. Lots. I don't want to make you my speeches by making you weird or making you tired and making you lazy. But I believe that whatever we will do, we will not do only for ourselves or only for our team, but for the state as a whole. There were a few lapses. That's why we have to recreate look at the guiding prospect of our Congress. What was the reason why we have lost? We have to relook, rethink, and then revisit what were the areas where we have met. There's a lot of things I want to share with you. But if I continue to do that, maybe I might not be able to add it. So I was wondering which part to speak first. But see,
Nak kalian
we are
jauh
family,
batas
we are
kai.
from Congress,
Ubalong
we have to
ini
look back
sila
and
pasal raba
rethink
untuk por
and revisit.
si yang berem dekat kici di
What were the
sini.
consequences?
Tahu bah,
What went
kapan
wrong?
hap setiap
How
apa
the
kena,
elections
ya kesenang
created?
bajai. Dapat
And what
baru
was
bah
the
buat
issue?
bajai, kita bon kita beli kita kita
Those
baru
things
bah.
we have to resolve.
Ang kalian kita senang kum tahu lah sengu. Dari mana pun tahu bah. Kita air raya ke bajai.
Wonder why
Kita
Saleng
tak
is
dapat
not.
hilang
Though
sedia.
Chief Minister, though the ministers will not defeat. It was the truth. It was the truth that we try to put before the people. That's why realism matters. The truth matters. There's a good politics and bad politics. When people were asking me, he has great politics, that guy has great politics. I was asking what kind of politics you were asking, what kind of politics you're talking. Is it the bad politics or good politics? You mean he's lying? You could simply say he was lying or a liar. He was trying to cheat. Cheating. My opinion in governance is because we try to spell the truth that is happening within our state, within our country. We don't try to lie or make promises during our campaign. We just try to show the people what is happening and what is going on right now in our country, in our state. How we are being scammed, how we are being lied, how we are being cheated about the education system, about the health system, about the society, about the drugs, about the cheating the revenue, how they are being smuggled out of our state. So these are the areas that we are trying to show the people, give them the truth. Nothing else more than that. So that's why even in the future, whenever we have any kind of convention or any kind of meeting or any kind of issues pertaining to society, we try to spell the truth. That way the truth will prevail. And definitely God will be.